coinciding with the holiday season. It's called the harvesting season, when investors look for losing positions in their portfolio and sell or harvest them to reduce taxes on capital gains from other investments. It's called tax selling or tax loss selling, and it's a common phenomenon at the end of every year, but particularly this year because, well, there are substantial losses to be harvested. Even with yesterday's rally, December's performance in the S&P has been abysmal. It's difficult to know what portion of the recent sell-off can be attributed to tax loss selling specifically, but it feeds on itself, meaning the more people that are selling in the market for tax purposes, the more exacerbated the market declines become, experts say. Bob Willens, a tax advisor to institutional investors, told me that his clients have been doing this actively in recent weeks. In a down year, this is an even more popular tactic. It gives little excuse for portfolio managers to get stuck with big tax bills for capital gains at the end of the year, which is about 23.8%. The one caveat is the so-called wash sale rule, which prohibits buying the same or similar security within 30 days before or after the tax loss sale, or you could lose the deduction. The deadline to harvest these losses for 2018 is December 31. Now, the question is whether that will put additional pressure on the market in the last 3 trading days of the year, guys.
See why it wouldn't.
Well, yesterday we saw a nice rally.
We did.
But, you know, as you know, liquidity can be thin this time of year. So any pressure from people that are looking to harvest these losses toward the end of the year could...
I mean, dismal hedge fund performance is also a contributor. I mean, there are redemptions, so that there's also selling on the back of that. So there's sort of 2 major places where you're seeing selling pressure from.
Exactly. Hedge funds are seeing redemptions. Mutual funds are seeing redemptions. A lot of people who are exposed to this market are just being forced to sell, whether for tax purposes or just to fund those redemptions and get some liquidity. So you're seeing a lot of forces at play in the last 3 trading days of the year.
I would add we also see rebalancing happen this time of year, so that could give us a little bit of lift into January, but a lot of people are focused on this dynamic and what looks oversold.